Our new unit on polynomials. So first let's go over what polynomials are. Polynomials are monomials added or subtracted together. So for example, polynomial could look like this. We have 3x to the fourth plus 2x minus 5x squared plus 10. That is a polynomial. Each one of these, 3x to the fourth is a monomial, 2x is a monomial, same with 5x squared and the 10. A degree is when you add the exponents of each monomial. So for example here, this monomial 3x to the fourth, the degree is 4. Here the degree is 1, a degree of 2, and there's no variable here, so that's a degree of 0. Standard form is when we go from the highest degree. So if we take this example, our highest degree is 4, so 3x to the fourth. Next lowest, or highest, is negative 5x squared. Then we have positive 2x plus 10. This is in standard form because our exponents are going in order from highest to lowest. The degree of the polynomial is the highest degree. So for this example, 4 is our highest degree. Okay, let's look at the different types. We're going to be looking at 6 different degrees: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If it's a degree of 0, that means it's a constant. And what that means is there's no variable. So for instance, 10 would be a constant because there's no variable. There's one term, and that term, when it's called 1, is a monomial. A linear degree has a degree of 1. And for instance, it'd be 4x plus 2. The reason why this is linear, our highest degree is this 1 up here. That's invisible, so it's the degree of 1. Number of terms, we have 2 terms, so it's a binomial. If we have a degree of 2, it's called quadratic. An example would be 3x squared. Our degree is 2, so it's quadratic. There's one term, so it's called monomial. If we have a degree of 3, it's called cubic. An example, we could have 4x to the third plus 6x minus 2. Our highest degree is 3, so it's cubic. And in this one, we have 1, 2, 3 terms, and that's called a trinomial. Degree of 4 is called a quartic. An example could be x to the fourth plus 3x squared. Our highest degree is 4, quartic, and we have 1, 2 terms, so it's a binomial. And last degree, if it's a degree of 5, it's a quintic. So for example, we could have 3x to the fifth minus 5x to the third plus 2x plus 7. Highest degree that we have is 5, so it's quintic. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Anything higher than a 3, we're going to say polynomial of whatever that number of terms are. So polynomial 4 terms, or 5, or 6. Last little bit, let's look at how we can write each of these 3 into standard form and then classify to that degree the number of terms. So if we take a look, we can reduce this to 4x minus 6x, leaves us with a negative 2x plus 5. It's in standard form because we go from 1 degree to no degrees. Since our highest degree is 1, it's a linear, and we have 2 terms, so this is a binomial. here, we can combine the 3x to the third and the 2x to the third to be 5x to the third. These don't combine together, so we're just still left with x squared minus 4x. They're in standard form because we're going 3, 2, 1. The highest degree is 3, so it's a cubic. And we have 1, 2, 3 terms, so it's a trinomial. And last example, there's nothing to combine. However, to put it in standard form, this needs to go first, so negative 2x to the fifth, because that's the highest degree, plus 6. So our highest degree is 5, so it's a quintic. And there's 1, 2 terms, so it's a binomial. If you look on the back side, these were our homework problems. There's 6. So first you were to do the addition problems, 1, 2, 3, and then next were the subtractions.